Chris Haskins here with the realestateroundup.com. I don't want to give you a quick flip tip today. Happy holidays to you and your family, and I want to thank my beautiful wife for working with me today. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Listen, real quick, I'm going to give you a flip tip. Baby steps. If you're a newbie investor, you're getting started in real estate, you're not quite sure where to start, I want to give you 2 quick baby steps for you to get started in real estate. It's not going to take you a lot of time, pressure, a lot of thinking, a lot of motivation, a lot of momentum to get started. So hopefully, just to get you, my mentor used to say, you've got to give them something that's a baby step. So today I'm going to show you right in your neighborhood where you can get started, baby steps, and you're going to follow me and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Anybody can do it. The first one is going to be for homeowners if you own a home. And we're right here at our house. Come on up. We're right here at home. The first one is going to be for homeowners or people that live in a house. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the link below. Comment on any other baby steps that you might have for people to get started in real estate. So if you own a house, come right outside, guys. It's real simple. All you have to do, put a We Buy Houses. Come on over. Put a We Buy Houses sign right in your front yard or in the corners here. You see in my yard, I always like to put a sign in the corner so people that are driving by can see it going both ways. It's very simple. It costs maybe 20 bucks to get your sign. Put it in your yard. There's no stress. You'd be surprised at the phone calls you'll get, the people that are just inquiring who you are, what you do. Maybe you can recruit and even possibly find a private lender. So that's going to be step number 1, baby step number 1. If you're renting or you own a house, a single family home, put a sign in the yard. All right. Now, if you're renting in an apartment or you live in a condo, let me show you step number 2, baby step number 2. This is for people that live in an apartment complex or a townhouse complex and you may not have a front or a backyard. If you look down here, I'll just let you get a quick glimpse. You can see people driving by, they get to see my sign and they go right by. Do you see it? Mm-hmm. You want to put it right close to the edge of the street, end of your yard. I'm sorry, the end of your yard so people can see it. It's been there ever since I moved in. People keep calling. So this one is for, the second baby step. If you live in an apartment or condo, you don't have a yard, townhouse, this is going to be for you. But obviously, I want you to be buying a house soon. If you haven't bought anything, you don't need cash, credit, down payment, bank qualifying. We don't qualify for bank loans anymore, right? We don't live in that world. The next baby step is just go to your closest intersection where you live. You can even do it in the intersection where your apartment complex is, or just the closest intersection to where your house is, or where your rental, where you live. Just put the sign right at the intersection and just drive into your neighborhood. Very simple. Very simple. So it's a baby step you can do. It probably costs, you can go to Lowe's, you can just write We Buy Houses right on the sign and stick it right there in your neighborhood, close to your property, and it's very simple. Baby step. Just to get started, you'll be surprised at the calls that are gonna come in, and that will give you some momentum to take your next step. So, Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any other baby steps that you can suggest or possibly like to share with some of our viewers, put it in the comments below. All right, Rounders, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Peace.